give the contact. I will give all your contact information to her, and then she will create teams to all of you guys. Okay. Yes, Hadi. Structural, civil and structural, Hadi. Okay. So be nice to Tuba. Okay. And of course, for this class, I would like to congratulate Hadi, Haikal, and Jing. Three of you guys are actually doing well until the end of this course. Actually, we're more of advanced. It's not basic already. So because I teach you how to create perspective view as well as some color scheme and also some material finishes. So I'm very happy, guys, to know you, and hopefully we see each other again for the next class. But after this after this CNS, next week you will also be transferred to MEP. All right. So guys, let's if you still have, I think you still have 30 minutes to explore Revit. Try to do some rendering and also do some material finishes. And I think some of you, I don't need to mention some names, but I think some of you need to practice. All right, so try to explore more and try to read back on what's up, what we have learned from day one. Okay, so and also I think better you also explore the perspective. Okay, the camera view. Yes, Hadi. Yeah. I use this 30 minutes of time to know which one you prefer, guys. Can someone please on these teams? Can someone please which field you need or you want to specialize? For example, do you want to be part of electrical, Hadi? At least I have an idea what you really want to do. Yeah, because Hadi, you are actually doing good on both AutoCAD and Revit. And you are Becca, right? Like you have zero knowledge, and I was surprised that you're actually handling it well. Huh? Your scores are very high, and even with Haikal and Jing. Jing, I know Jing doesn't have any experience, but suddenly, you become you actually excel, especially on modeling, Oh, everyone, Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for at least informing. So guys, okay. So please let me know which area or field of study you are more keen. So for example, Jing and Hadi, they want to study more about electrical. Then thanks for letting me know. How about the rest? Iqbal, who else? Hakim, Rui, Jolene, tumisigaw na. Sino yun? All right. So anyone? Okay, so Jolene also. Okay, so maybe can you send me your personal message one by one on WhatsApp and send me which one you actually prefer?
Sir, since you said just now you did like advanced Revit, then the cert you getting will also be basic also, is it?
Sorry, Iqbal, what's
The
your
cert that
question?
will be given a cert after everything, right, sir?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. But if they know that you're actually capable or of handling some fields, then actually they will deploy you to work to another projects.
Ah, okay, okay.
All right. So guys, please try to explore Revit. Try to practice more. I am going to have a meeting again, and then and also, can you send me a personal message about which fields you want to excel? Some of you already know. Others, some of you still haven't sent me any message. Okay. You know Haikal, sorry Haikal, Hakim, there are options, you know. Yeah, yeah, like that. You actually can choose from there or CNS, right? All right, thank you for all the response. No, no. See, Hakim, all of your colleagues can easily actually pick what they want. It's up to you what do you want. Okay? They can easily pick what they really want. Like for example, Mr. Hadi and Mr. Jing, they want electrical. So you also have something in your mind, right? So you don't. I don't need to give you an options. Just think about it first. Then please give me a message. Okay? All right? Yes. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Something like this, no? Okay, okay, understand. If you find something like this, it means that because see, okay, I'm reporting, right? I'm training you guys, and if they find that you're capable of doing some work, then some of the sales actually will call you and ask you if you're interested to go on with some of their possible work proposal for you guys. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. So sometimes they will call you lah. Yeah. So just call, answer the call, and then let's see. But just let them know. But I think yeah, from as I said a while ago, you Eugene and Hadi and Haikal are actually excelling on Revit and what's this AutoCAD. So they know because you have they I send the exam and they know the report. So sometimes if you find it or if you saw some messages like that, it means that they're actually proposing something for you. Okay? You can actually accept. I mean it's up to you lah. Like please tell them just be honest. Like if you want to take the job, then it's up to you. Okay, but if you want to take the electrical, then you can proceed with the training until MEP next week. All right. The decision. Oh yeah, the decision is always on your side. Okay. Just answer the call. It's from DJB as well. So maybe they find a client for you, and then if you're interested, then take it. Right. Just just let her know lah. Just let her know, or just talk to her. All right. Who else? Who else? Yeah. Who else? All right, guys. I'll give you the 30 minutes of time to explore the Revit. Okay. Actually, I don't have the license now. I don't know what happened, but they removed my license, so I cannot open my Revit. So just review and study, or maybe Hadi or Haikal can share their knowledge about what they've learned from day one. And I'm really appreciative of you, every one of you actually. Every one of you actually are hardworking people. I'm very happy. Okay, it just so happened that some of you are really excelling on this software. Yeah, so I'm very happy, guys, to know all of you. Okay, guys, I'll just go to the other meeting and I'll do my report. Okay, let me know if you still have any questions. All right. Hey, saan pinto? Pag every sa sahod mo, dapat gano'n. Sino yung sumisigaw? Oo nga, feeling ko yung pinaka. Ay, pero hindi naman kami sa pinanggalingan ko, hindi naman ganun. Parang, doon pa sa Pure Tech. Yung NTE yung gano'n. Ano kaya nangyari? Nabig ba? May mga mura, di ba? Ang lakas mo, nandun siya. Hindi naman natin nila, di ba? Pa yung office niya. Alam mo ilang total ng ano, model stage? 250 yata. Yung mga lahat na. Ang kwento nila sa akin. Feeling ko kilala ko sino yung nasigawan. Kasi galing ako doon. Hindi, yung babae. Eh, ayoko naman galing sa akin. Hindi kayo pagpasok ko. Dire-diretso ako. Nabigla sila eh. Ang Diyos ko. Pagdating talaga siya. Pagdating siya. Diyos ko, tagutom na ako. Wag, magbiro ko na sa lahat. Wag lang sa tao. Walang sa tao kung ano na. Gipit. Medyo mainit ulo nila, swelduhan kasi. Hindi, okay na. Pinasign ko, ang ginawa ko, kinausap ko si Mirna. Pinasign ko si Mirna, tapos pagka-print, pumasok ako sa loob. Tapos pinasign ko kay pero na-corner ako, gawan ko rin ng report to. So, okay lang naman.